and also for assurance company, which can offer assurance with a less price for the people that want to use this application. Thank you. Any question?
Not a question, but a suggestion. You can launch also the opposite app, which means the fastest drivers in the city.
In that case, the application wouldn't be used for safe, it would be used for...
You mentioned to be used by insurance company, but they already have many of them such a solution for tracking. I don't know if they are tracking the speed or something else.
Yes, we have that OBD device that can connect to the car and extract a lot of information from them. And with that data, we can make analysis, and we can...
So in this moment, it's not a phone. It's, you have a device?
Yes, I can show you.
Okay.
This one, and it's a relative low price. The average is $10 on eBay.
Okay. This guy, I just make a suggestion. Before I come, I just lost my dog. And I would buy such a thing for $10.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So what's the value that you're providing? Not the device, I suppose, but the information that you're gathering and all the reports and analysis?
Yes, that's a big functionality for us, because if we are going to have a lot of people, we are going to have a huge amount of data, and after that we can apply big data analysis on them. And the main functionality would be to provide a safe driving for young people, for inexperienced driving. Thank you.
And let's see the next team, which is Thank You.
Okay, so we all know what makes us strong as professionals. We get our paycheck or customers pay us at the end of the month. We also have these guys that take care that we have LinkedIn recommendations and endorsements and our profile there. And we also get an occasional tap on the shoulder for a good job done. And but is this what defines us really? Aren't we also human as well? And actually, aren't we human in the first place? So for this question, we have our social image, which is defined by social media like Facebook and Twitter. And what happens there is that we get this kind of reinforcements of on our personality. So people give us tweets, they give retweets, they give us likes, they give us comments, and this is awesome and makes us feel really good. But at the same time, how do we know why they like us? You know, why is it that we are special? Why is it that what are the qualities that make us awesome? So where is our personal image? We have this kind of how to say? We have the professional image, and we have also our posts, but where do we get an image of us as humans as defined by other people? So why they love us so much? And as human. So this is where thank you comes in. The way to say thank you and appreciate another awesome human in a fun and magically easy way, in seconds on your mobile. Our underlying magic is that we have rediscovered the principle of engagement by just inserting some fun into this activity. And basically imagine Tinder meets LinkedIn, but for personality endorsements, peer-to-peer. How it works? Christy? So this is our MVP, so Imagine browsing through your friends, just like you do on, and endorsing them, just like you do on LinkedIn, but this time for their personal qualities. So you're tapping, and this one I think so, this one I don't think so. Yeah, you can also check out your personal profile to see what are the things that people like most about you. And as you can see, we also have a really nice UI and UX design, and this is working. And anybody who wants to check it, you're welcome. So, what are our target users? We will follow the Facebook example and start with students and young people between 18 and 30. Especially ones that are active in different social and organizational tribes. We will also target them based on their community, so that, for example, in NGOs, in their company, in their class, so that they can start interacting with people that are around them. How do we make money? We believe that we have an app that will make millions. I mean, in terms of users and also in terms of money. So afterwards, how do we do it? It's a freemium model. We sell information. Okay, and who do we sell this information to? We sell infographics to the users themselves that get them to know a bit more about what makes them special, how they compare to other people, or attach a nice infographic to their CV. Afterwards, we move on to companies where we can sell this kind of search capabilities and infographics to HR professionals, and afterwards we can play with big data once we have enough users. So what our results are so far, we have done a lot of customer validation with online and also offline, running some tests. We also have talked a lot with mentors here about the business model, and we have an MVP, as you saw. Roadmap, we are ready to launch this app in 3 weeks if we want that. And we can see how it works, how it goes, and yeah, this is our team. They're awesome. You can see them there.
Questions?
How do you choose the characteristics? How do you choose the qualities that you're tapping on?
For now, we have a predefined set of qualities. They are based on Yukari Sunga, which is like a personality inventory type of tool. And afterwards, we will probably allow users to suggest qualities, but we will not show them immediately. We will make sure that everything is good, because we want to keep it positive and not have this kind of...
Usually, in order to keep users doing this, you want to reward them in a way. I haven't seen any reward in the app.
Okay, so far this is our initial version. We have ideas as to how to get this kind of rewards, badges, you know.
It doesn't necessarily have to be a badge, but it has to be a reward, because otherwise I wouldn't keep tapping on the...
The rewards you get as notifications that somebody said something nice about you. And you open it, and just like on Facebook, you have a notification waiting for you, and you feel nice that somebody said something nice about you.
I have a problem with the name. I feel that you started with a different idea and then you switched, but you kept the old name. I mean, thank you say after somebody does something for you, but this sounds like simply evaluating how good is the person, not related with some previous thing to thank for. So what's the relation? Is it about something they did for you, or is it about how they are?
We want to keep it simple to begin with, so that people are just browsing and enjoying this activity of changing people and things. And eventually we will build also this kind of capability to search a specific person and to thank them for a specific thing, and also to write them a personalized message. But we started with the part that we believe will drive more engagement. And after we get this, and users inside using it anyway, they can also think, oh, I can also add this and that, because we believe it's a bit difficult to remember Okay, I should go in and say thank you to this person.
Okay, thank you very much. And let's see the next team, UserVibes.
Hello, my name is Wana, and I'm bringing you UserVibes. Do you ever feel like your voice is not listened? That you talk to your friends, that they are not listening to you? Do you ever feel that you're talking to Microsoft or Amazon or PayPal, and they don't listen to you? Do you ever ask God a question, and He doesn't listen? Usually, when I have a demand from a service provider, I write an email and I make my demand and I make a suggestion, and they send me a nice email like this. Oh, your feedback is very important for us. Yes, we'll take it into consideration. Yes, your opinion is very important. Thank you. And that's all. They don't do anything to solve my problem or to take my suggestion into consideration. How do I know that? Because I do it with my team. I manage a customer support team, and we don't put the customer suggestions to the product roadmap and to the product manager. The current model to manage customer support is broken, as we can see here. People hate self-help desk software, and customer support is treated like firemen that just need to solve the problems, but they sit on a golden mine of user insights that they don't use. We're bringing you UserVibes, the application who helps you prioritize key features for your product roadmap, taking into consideration user insights from your customer support. We'll do it in 3 steps, and I'll show it. The user creates an account. Yeah, even product managers who think themselves that they are God needs to create an account. They set up the tags from the customer support tickets that they would like to measure. The system does these jobs, and within a week collects the data from the customer support system, like Zendesk or Desk. So the product manager just selects the tags that he's interested in and the time that he wants a report for. And UserVibes does the magic, provides a complete analysis of the data, and also generates a nice looking PDF for your meeting. The market for voice of consumer solution is growing, as Forrester reports, and the market for CRM solutions and self-help desk solutions is also growing. As we see here, this is the current status in 2014. There are competitors, so if there is a demand for this in the market, and our advantage is that we provide a very simple and clear solution to make the voice of the end users sound. We have a marketing and sales plan using online, app marketplaces like Zendesk Marketplace, and offline. We have a revenue model with monthly subscription, fee based on number of tickets processed. We have a wonderful team thank you for all your good job today. And I think if God was a product manager, he would use UserVibes. Thank you.
My question is why the product manager of Zendesk or Desk or Freshdesk wouldn't add this simple feature, which I understand it's a tag filtering of customer requires to their current offering. What would somebody use an additional product besides Zendesk to solve this issue?
Zendesk has these kind of reports, but they are very complex and very difficult to set up. We try to do this at one of the team I'm working with, and we also asked Zendesk's help, and they couldn't help us, so we're building this ourselves. Yes, that's a risk for every app that was presented here today.
I have a question regarding the data. So basically you create tags in Zendesk, and then you have to create them again in UserVibes, and then based on identical tags, you're getting this report, or how does the data integration work?
You define the tags as a product manager, together with the customer support manager, and user support agents add these tags to the tickets. Some of them are already added automatically with the customers, with the custom answers, but some of them are added manually. Currently, customer support agents don't do this at all.
And how does it actually help, like getting my feature request transported to the product managers if it's just a tag that is used? If you're just using a tag to actually map customer requests, so how does it help actually transporting those features to the product people?
Product managers can really see the pain and how many users have this pain from the customer support system. This is only the tip of the iceberg, what we are doing today with tags. We are also aiming to better user profiling, so which customers are paying for the service and how many are experiencing this pain or have this suggestion, and also for better recommendations for product managers on how to further validate the data that they gathered from our tool, from UserVibes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. And the next team.
Hi, I'm Bogdan, and I'm presenting Virtual Med today. Virtual Med is the easy way to keep healthy. So the idea is that we are going to introduce a new platform that is going to be used by clinics and other medical offices in order to keep contact with their existing patients, and we also provide a new way to gather new patients into the existing market. So how we are going to achieve this is by creating a mobile application in order for the existing patients to post questions and keep up with their treatment and provide all this information in a historical way to the medical offices. And what is different between this application and the other existing ones that are already on the market, we provide also the interest on the medical side, because the existing applications do give feedback to the patients. Let's say you post a question and you receive feedback, but you don't have a history on the doctor that, okay, I am currently able to see how my patient is treating and if he's improving or he is getting better or worse in his treatment that I prescribed him. So we'll provide a plus value on the clinic side. So this is an easy process that provides value to both sides. So we went to a premium version regarding the user perspective. Everyone can download the application and it's free, and they can post questions and receive answers from real doctors, and it is not automatically provided an answer underneath. And it is going to be a process that is paid by subscription related to the clinics that are going to use this. This is the part describing how the client is using the application. We have a mobile app that is almost ready. Our trained monkeys are currently doing this. And the advantage is, like I said, it's on the both sides. So we have studied our statistics, if this is going to work or not on the current market, and we have that 60% of the people that are currently interested in treatment are also looking on the online side. And 48% of them are interested in multiple advices, and they also keep close contact with their original doctor, so they usually don't change one. That's why this is going to work from the clinic perspective in order to keep the contact. From the pricing, we have subscription-based now, different pricing plans depending upon the number of patients that you are going to use this application for. And pretty much that's it. The application is going to be either integrated with their existing services, or is it going to be a platform, a standalone platform?